So, how to pick the best stocks to form your portfolio? Keep these basics in mind. You need to look for these elements when deciding on adding a stock to your portfolio. The presence of all of these elements is essential for making a stock the best for you. Number 1. The brand of the stock. Number 2. Dividend history. Number 3. Fundamentals. Number 4. Buy-sell levels. Number 5. Volumes in the stock. Further details on each of these elements are covered in this video. Since titles and thumbnails may need revision from time to time, we have provided the link to the video in this video's description. Thank you.